Hey guys, I just got this beautiful silk bonnet, so let's have a look together. The fabric seems really thick and high quality. It's double layer silk, so looks like how shiny it is. And the stitching seems very accurate. I like the color, it's very nice and the material is so smooth. It also has an elastic band so you can adjust according to your needs, and the silk is both inside and outside. So usually I just pull my hair behind and pull on this bonnet, and later you can use lace to adjust according to your needs so it sits tight, but you can't feel any discomfort. And the best part is no matter how I shake my head, it always stays on. So after I wake up, I can just untie the laces and you can see that my hair stays perfectly smooth and nice.